Hey, I'm Gaurav Patil, pursuing second year computer science engineering at Keshav Memorial Institute of Technology. Technology has always fascinated me and Microsoft has always been my first choice. I want to share this obsession of mine with my friends and get them as interested into technology as I am. I grew up playing games such as Motocross Madness, Age of Empires and the very latest Dirt 3, which have inspired me to develop games for Windows 8. I gave a seminar on mobile platforms which included Windows Phone 7 and its all-new user interface. Currently, me and my friends are passionate about developing games for Windows Phone 7 to get pocket money out of it. If I become an MSP, I would like to share this knowledge with all my peers by arranging boot camps and seminars. There is a new member in the Microsoft family, Windows 8. Windows 8 is the most radical change to Microsoft's operating system in quite a long time. Boot up the OS and the first thing you'll notice, other than the very fast booting time, is that you're welcomed with these colorful boxes called as the live tiles. These live tiles display all your important information such as your stocks, your weather and your news within the environment of a tile. Live tiles are a core part of the Microsoft's Metro UI interface, which is now called as the modern UI. Development of applications for Windows 8 can be done by using Visual Studio 2012. The Express edition of this software is absolutely free. Microsoft Windows 8 allows you to develop apps in two major ways. The two ways are, the first being use of web development languages such as HTML and CSS. The UI of Windows 8 can be designed using HTML5 and CSS3, and the logic for it can be written using JavaScript. The second way you can develop apps by using conventional programming languages such as C++, C# and Visual Basic. The amazing feature about Windows 8 is that it can run on low-powered ARM processors, which power today's smartphones and tablets, which means that you do not have to worry about the portability of your application. So, as a developer, are you afraid to put high-definition content on your web page or on your application? Well, you do not have to worry about it anymore, because Windows 8, the new browser, Internet Explorer 10 and the Metro UI both use an improved version of Direct2D API. Now, in the Direct2D API, you get improved tessellation and rasterization. Target independent rasterization improves rasterization and anti-aliasing. Without anti-aliasing, your text would appear unclear and the diagonal lines would appear jagged. Now, Microsoft has included SkyDrive into its core operating system. Now, SkyDrive is Microsoft's native cloud storage application which allows you to store files free of cost. Now, I use Windows 8 both as a developer and as a user. The things that fascinated me as a user are the hardware accelerated Metro UI interface and the social networking integration. And as a developer, the things that caught my attention are the ability to make beautiful apps, which has inspired me to code apps for Windows 8. The ability to code beautiful apps on the Metro UI, these things inspire me to code apps for Windows 8.